What's good?
Hey, can I get on your motorcycle? I've always wanted to go on a motorcycle.
I mean, I can't really say no.
Well, bye. Bye, Amanda. Holy shit. Okay. Alright, take. Can we have turns too?
I mean, sure. I got another helmet. Like, were we going far or just around the parking garage?
I can't ruin my hair, I'm sorry.
Okay.
What do I...
You put your foot right here.
This one?
Yep, and then you step up and grab onto me.
Okay. Yep. Oh my god.
No, there ain't enough room for all that. So you put your feet on these.
Huh?
I have one right there. She didn't want it. She didn't want it. It's a lot more fun on an actual road.
Oh yeah, well. Hey, this is awesome though.
What's that?
This is awesome. How long have you had this?
I've never owned a car. I've had a bike for the last 7 years.
Oh shit. Who's from Broward?
What?
You're from Broward?
No, I was just down in Broward.
Oh, okay. Do you go down there for bike stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Yeah, the culture's
I
might need some help, Zoe. Was it scary? No, it was actually really cool. Have you ever crashed?
A couple times.
Oh, what was it like? Did you have to go to the hospital?
Nah, well, only once, and that one I was going really fast. Hell, I ate shit like early this month from, I was doing a wheelie. So I got this titanium piece back here that I'll hit on the ground when I'm doing a wheelie.
Does it so you can get the...
Yeah. So on my other bike, I hit it too hard and it lifted the whole rear tire up in the air.
I don't know why y'all do that. Like, that's fucking crazy. Have people like tried to hit you? Because I know people don't.
No, not really, but sometimes, you know, they get close accidentally.
Hey, how much is one of these?
This one I got for $5,400.
Oh, damn.
But you can get a starter bike for like less than $3,000.
And would you say it's dangerous if you don't do like tricks like that? Because I low-key want to get one for like coming to school and shit.
No, I absolutely recommend you.
Dead ass, like $5,400, that's not bad.
No, I definitely recommend getting one. If you ride responsibly and you know how to ride, like you take the time to actually learn.
To take lessons or something?
Well, you have to take.
Yeah, I can't drive. So.
Oh, you can't drive a car?
I failed my driver's license 3 times.
You still don't have it? Oh my god. But were you next?
Yeah, if you don't go too fast though.
Yeah, we're on a parking garage. Where am I gonna go?
Okay, yeah. I mean off the fucking thing. I don't know. Okay, Joe. Yeah.
Here, and then just climb on over.
Oh,
and you good? Okay.
oh, this is so fun.
Hold on lower.
Wait, hold on like this?
Yeah, like that. My collarbone's broke on that side.
Your what?
My collarbone's broke on that side. You're fine.
From an accident or?
Yeah.
Oh.
It was a couple years ago. I almost died. Yeah.
Whee! Oh my god.
We're still going slow.
Oh my god. Whee! Oh, stop. Oh my god.
Come on.
That's really scary.
We were doing like 20.
Oh my, that genuinely felt like 50 miles an hour. And you're going straight into the thing.
What?
You were going straight into the wall.
Listen, I've never owned a car. I've been doing this my whole life.
You've never owned a car?
No, I've had bikes for 7 years.
Oh, damn. No, my dad used to have like a Vespa, and I would ride on the back of that with him, but obviously it goes like way slower.
Yeah.
That was even scary.
No, these things are great. I definitely recommend it.
It's really fun, yeah. I feel like if you're a person that loves like having the wind like blow in your face, it's so fun. Whee! Thank you. Okay.
Let me just step off.
Wait, do I?
Just.
It's not gonna go. Like...
No, you're fine. I got it.
It was so fun. I should be scared. Okay, so I just have to...
Yeah, you step on there and then climb on.
Oh, you got it.
You got it? You got it?
Sorry.
Okay.
Hold on.
To me.
Okay, like where?
Like around, yeah, like that.
Thank you so much. That was so fun. Okay.
How was it?
Very much fun.
Oh, you good?
Thank you.
All right.
Me next, me next.
Anybody else?
Wait, what? Yeah, why is that?
Well, anyone other than Kyle?
Let's go.
Yeah, I'll do it first.
Do it,
I'll
do
do
it,
it
do it.
Get out of
I wanted a turn.
here. He's been trying for a while to get a turn.
Do you want to do a tandem with him?
But Kyle,
I probably
Here.
not. I don't know. Where do I put my
right here. Pick, no, like that. All
Okay.
right, and then you hold on to me.
Oh my god. Okay.
Heads up.
Oh my god. Wait, I'm scared.
We'll wait for them.
Oh my god. That's fine. Okay, wait.
That one would have gone crazy.
That's so fun.
He tried to beat me with the water gun for urine.
So is this like your
All right,
I like
right there. Yep, you got him. All right.
Thank you, that was fun.
No problem.
Alright, wait.
Just step up.
What's up? No! No, get on the bike!
No, Kyle.